Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to display a 3D cube in augmented reality native iOS application using Reality Kit. Now firstly you will need a real iOS or an iPad device to test it. You can't really test it on simulator. So firstly I will show you the output. So here, as you can see, I have my app running on a real iPad device. Okay, so I will allow the camera permission first. Make sure your screen is have enough light, like your room has enough light. As you can see, even though my room has enough light, it is still struggling to display the cube, and now here you can see it has finally displayed our cube. So if I want, I can rotate it as well, zoom it and translate. So yeah, that's it for the output part. Let's see how to do this in using a code. So here I have created one basic native iOS application using UIKit, but if you want you can use Swift UI as well. Firstly, inside my info.plist I have added this camera usage description permission. So I have added need permission. Next, inside view controller I am importing Reality Kit. Then I have created one AR view as well, and here we are just initializing our AR view to occupy the entire width and height of the screen. The camera mode is .AR, so it automatically displays in augmented reality mode, and then we are just adding our AR view to our view. Then here I have created one cube mesh, so it is generating a box. Then I have created some simple material of color blue. It is basically like coloring your cube. And then I have created one model entity for which we are passing our cube mesh as well as our material. Then we are just creating one anchor entity of plane horizontal, give it some name, then add your cube entity to our anchor entity, and then we just do arview.scene.add anchor entity, and here I am just doing generate collision shapes as well, recursive to true, and here we are just doing all this like translation, rotation and scaling stuff, so installing all this gesture for our cube. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.